how to install and use the Shopware 6 extension Cost Transparency. This video shows why and how to use the Cost Transparency extension for Shopware 6. The Cost Transparency extension adds a new tab on the product details page for data visualization of a product's cost factors, so we can show our customers where exactly their money goes to build trust and add facts to sustain our sustainability claims. The tab will be shown if a product has cost transparency information available. Cost factors and their detailed descriptions can be configured for each language. You can use HTML to format bold text or add a feature list. Each product can have up to 5 cost factors. If the text is too long for display, it will be truncated, but the full text is available in the title tag when hovering with the mouse or using a screen reader. A click or touch on a factor will show the detailed description text below. The display is responsive and supports Shopware's off-canvas display on mobile. This is the same storefront in a mobile browser. Now when I tap on the tab title, the Cost Transparency tab opens in an off-canvas element. I can tap on each bar to see the details below, just like I did on my desktop browser. So, how can we install and configure the Cost Transparency extension in a Shopware shop? Here is a step-by-step guide. First, open your Shopware administration in a browser. Install and activate the extension. Right-click on the context menu on the right of the extension name. Click on Configure. The configuration page has text snippets to customize the titles and descriptions for every language. HTML can be used to format bold text or add a feature list. There is a global option to hide the cost transparency data, so you can install the plugin and add product data before displaying it in the storefront. How to add data? Open a product detail in the administration. Go to the Specifications tab and scroll down to the Custom Fields, where you can find a tab called Cost Factors. Enter percentages for up to 5 factors. Click on Save. The factor names are the same for all products, and so are the descriptions. Only factors greater than 0% will be displayed in the storefront.